Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Rashid and today I will brief you about the picture wrapping, that how you can use that tool. That name is picture wrapping. This is very beneficial and very mandatory tool. If you want to excel in Microsoft Word, then you must follow me guys. For example, here you insert a picture, right? DP, and uh, you insert a picture, and now you want to remove, uh, you want to move that picture from one place to another place within that document, but this is not possible for you when you insert that picture. Like, if I'm try to move that picture from here to towards the right, but that picture is not moving. So so here is the main tool that we are going to discuss, that we are going to learn. That name is picture wrapping. By this you can move the picture within the document after inserting. So I just double click on it, and here is the design mode is on, and from here wrap text, I will click on it, and I will behind the text. When I select behind the text, now you can move that picture anywhere in this document. So this is the power of picture wrapping, text wrapping. So after this you can move that picture within the document. So this is all for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will discuss that how you can edit the picture, how you can all the advanced from the beginning to advanced level. We will in the next tutorial we will discuss all the tools, all the things which are concerned with the picture editing, and see you in the next tutorial. Don't miss the next tutorial. That tutorial is very beneficial for you if you want to excel in Microsoft Word 2013 after this tutorial. See you in the next one. Thank you.